Okay, this is our test setup for the Siren motor controller. We have here a power cord which leads through very kludged connection to our Siren controller. We've got the motor hooked up to it up there on the upper left, and then we hooked it up to our old robot which has a VEX controller. And what we're going to do here is we're going to plug this in. You go ahead and do the plugging, and the first thing you'll notice is that the motor starts spinning and the siren, the little LED comes on that. But here's the fun part, is that that is actually powering our VEX controller. It's not this battery here. This battery is not even connected up, but it's actually coming through the PWM cable and supplying that. So that's our setup.